Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can obtain the Hodges-Lehmann estimator for independent samples using Microsoft Excel and my stikpetE add-in. I'll focus on how to obtain this measure, not so much if you should or how to interpret it. My add-in is available via my GitHub account. You can download it at this link. And once you open an Excel, go for File Options, Add-ins, click on the Go button, then browse for the downloaded file and it should install. Of course, use at your own risk. Um, to show you how to get the estimate, we need some example data. So in column A and B, I have in column A my a binary field actually, because the students only selected male or female, and the mixed number of activities, which ranged from far too little to far too much. The function of interest is ME, short for measure, common language, IS, short for independent samples. You need the categorical field, but don't use the entire columns, simply use the specific range. Same thing for the scores, which in my case is from B2 all the way down to, what is it in this case, B56. In my case, there are only two categories, so I don't actually have to specify the two, but if you had more than two categories, you can specify which two categories you want to use. And if your scores are not numeric, as in my case, then you also need to know the proper order. That's the levels parameter. Then it's a matter of just typing in the name of the function and then actually feeding it all the different parameters. I'm using a semicolon to separate parameters. Your version might be using a comma. And actually that should be all there is to it. Oh, it changed it to a plus. Of course, it should be like this, and now it works. So that's -1. What it kind of does is it makes all possible pairs and then calculates the median from all possible pairs of differences. Alright, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.